Elias, what is it? Elias, what is it?
Meow.
What is it?
Meow.
What?
Bat.
Where's your cat? Where's your cat toy? Show Mommy. Show Mommy, where's your cat toy?
But.
Elias, where's the cat?
Oh,
Meow.
what is
Elias. Meow, where's the cat?
Violet?
Where's the cat? Meow.
Meow. Meow. Meow. Meow.
Is there a cat on there? Show Mommy. Where's the cat?
Meow. Meow. But.
Right there?
Meow.
Good job. He got a Happy Meal from Grandma, and it came with a little cat right there. Puss in Boots from the new movie, I guess, that's coming out. And he was sitting back there going, meow, meow, and signing cat. And so I thought, I just gotta get this on camera. He's so smart.
What is?
There is nothing else. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh. Oh.
Had a glitch.
Oh no.
Elias, where's the cat?
But this.
Meow. Can you sign cat?
But this.
Oh, baby.
Wow.
Oh, meow, it fell down, huh? Oh, no. Say, uh-oh, Spaghetti-O.
It's running. What?
Yeah, Grandma went in there. We're waiting for her.
What is it?
Say, meow,
Mom.
meow.
Mom.
What?
You body.
Not right now. Hey, can you sign monkey? Monkey, 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 monkey. Okay, good. Can you sign bear? Bear, good. Can you sign frog? Bug. Very good. Fish? Fish. Good. You're so smart. Do you remember how to sign dog?
Mom.
Dog. That's been a while. What about boy? Do you remember how to sign boy?
Boy.
Boy. How do you sign boy?
B.
Remember? On your head? I don't have a free hand. I can't show you. Boy. Very good. Very good. Great. And cat?
A bat.
Cat. What about bird? Do you remember how to sign bird? Bird. That's cat. Do you remember how to sign bird?